You got a thing for finding people.
I always see everything.
What we coming to get?
Oh, we're going to the toy aisle.
To the what?
To the toy aisle.
What you going to get?
Rainbow High Dog, 2.
Which 2 you want?
I want... I want Amaya and I want Ruby.
Are we going the right way?
I think it's that way.
Got on your little flippers.
Yep.
Don't look like we're going the right way.
That way. That way, Daddy. You see the toys over there?
You see them?
Yeah, I think it's that way.
Look like we're here.
We found it.
We're getting close. It goes
In the
on.
middle of a bush.
All of the toys.
But that isn't right.
Uh-oh. Where are they? Are they in here? Are they on this aisle?
No.
Are they on this aisle? Do you see them?
Check. No. Where are they? Let's see on the country.
Uh-uh.
3.
Look like we're getting close. Uh-oh. 2, 1. There they go.
I want.
All of them. Who are these?
These are the rainbow hot dogs.
This is what you've been asking us to come and get?
This one and this one. Ooh. This one looks cute, right? Ooh, look. And let's put it in the basket. And look what I found!
Uh-oh, there goes the one got 2 of them.
Oh my goodness, look!
Let's see that one.
One pack with 2 of them. That's what I was wishing for. Oh my god! I really love this.
Okay, so we're gonna get those 2 then. We don't need the other one.
Awesome.
1. That means I got
What?
1, 2, 3, 4 of them.
Did you what?
Just get 4 of them. I am so happy. Hold on, the cart.
The cart gone?
No, it went over here. Hi guys. This is the special edition big rainbow high dog 2 set opening doll. So we're gonna open it like this. Open. Whoa! God be ashamed. Whoa! Look. Yeah, guys. Oh, wow. It's hugely here. And then we have on this side, this one is the code, and on this side we have the hot. We have to just take these tape things off. And then we just take this up like that. And they stand by there. Next, we need to pull it out. Today we just got out the new specialist rainbow high dolls. And their names is L'Oreal and Holly.
What's their names?
L'Oreal and Holly.
Okay.
This one is L'Oreal and this one is Holly.
Okay, you want to take them out of the box?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to pull. This one is so heavy. It's pull. Like they're back out. Now open it. Yeah. Ooh. They're freaking out. There they are. Look at her. She looks cute. She looks so cute. And look in the back of her. They look so indeed. So she needs to get on her stand. Oh no, her stand came off. Hold on.
Nice, you gotta move her hair.
And next up, this one is L'Oreal. And then you have to put her on. She needs her to get her purse off, but we need her stand to be right. Let's move her hair out the way a little like that. She can't stand up like that. Daddy. No. Oh, whoa. Daddy, why did you put her head in the wow? Hold on, she's standing. Hold on, don't make her fall. Wow.
Look at her hair in the way.
Oh no, somebody has an earring. I know who earring this is. This is her earring. Why did you take it off? There. And look in the back. She has a nice little color change. And she just looks so neat and beautiful. And I'll take this out for you. Thank you. Oh, no. It fell off. Yay, and it's the queen too. Personality, so I'll just put my shoes right over here. Oh, I love these shoes. These are making me so happy. Let's open my box first. So beautiful. Let's open my box next. Let's open it like this. Ooh. Our stuff. My earring. Where has it gone? It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck to her head. Meet both beautiful little girls. Hi there. Hello. What's your name? I just came back from my house. Oh, alright. Just talking to you just for a minute, but I was trying to say something really good to you. What? Nothing much. So let's just have some fun together. Okay. Let's just look at fun just for a minute. No, the moon. Fine. Ooh, look at the moon. That is so boring. Oh no, we took our person. Oh no, I didn't take it off. Okay, I'll just put it back on. Look at my rainbow nails. Red, orange, yellow. Green, blue, purple. Blue, green. No red, orange. No blue, green. No red, orange. No blue, green. No red. Let's just not fight over it. Oh no! How perfect follow. So, I was thinking that we may open our shoes. We already have our shoes. Oh yeah. And it's our color. Yeah, we're going there. We're going here. So, get our purses and go on. Oh no! We just take out our shoes. We'll stay here and lay in the sun while we open our shoes. My shoes. Take out one shoe. This shoe. These shoes are different. Come on. These are just the best clothes ever. I know.